The Easter Bunny come for you, Ashton?
Yeah.
Yeah? Were you a good boy, though?
Yeah.
Wow, what did he bring?
My armband.
Wow. What did he bring for Violet? What did he bring Violet?
Ooh, look at that.
Come on, Violet. Look at what the Easter Bunny brought you.
Scissors.
Yeah, we need scissors. What else did the Easter Bunny bring you? That looks like that's Violet's because it's a girl basket. How about yours, Ashton?
And it has candies in it.
Yeah? What else? Yeah, what else did he bring you? Ooh, big candies. What else? Go get more. Violet hasn't discovered her basket yet. What's that? That sidewalk chalk? What else did you get? Ooh, what's that?
Flower.
Flower? Smell good? What else? Ooh, what's that?
Happy. Ew.
Ooh.
What's that?
That's called silly string.
What Easter Bunny brought?
Easter Bunny brought.